We are back again, and I will tell you more about other elements in the refrigerant loop. We have the chiller and fans. These are the condenser air fan. When the pressure is increased here and the air is exchanged temperature with the refrigerant will be evaporate and the pressure will be increased. So based on the characteristic of refrigerant gas, we need to use these air fans, condenser air fan, to reduce the pressure. So the set point for pressure is 9 if in the startup we have more refrigerant pressure. When we have more refrigerant pressure, based on this simple control, we compare that to the set point. When the pressure is more than set point and the dead band or half of the dead band, in each 20 seconds we increase the capacity. And increasing capacity means that we will have more condenser air fans. So we need to wait until reaching to the maximum number of air fans, one in the fan A, the other in fan B. It's very similar to compressors. You can enable, disable, and if we reach to the set point minus the dead band or the half of dead band, like 8, if we 8, 7, this pressure values, the capacity will decrease. Let us wait until reach to the maximum capacity in condenser air fans. So we are in the full capacity and the pressure should be decreased, like 10, like set point is 9, like 8.4, and we wait. This is the first point. We are set point minus half of dead band. the capacity of the air condensers will decrease, and the fans will be shut down one by one, and that's all. While testing the air condensers, I can also tell you more about the air coolers. When the temperature of the oil is reaching to a danger zone, we have air cooler A, and if the trouble in temperature is existing after a timer, air cooler B is also active. Conditions of running air coolers is independent to the running of the chillers. After a time here, we will have the oil cooler B active. So let me put the pressure on 9, and the capacity will be freezed here or frozen here. And when we have the coolers, I decrease the temperature to 60, and the first air cooler A after timer, air cooler B will shut down. And what we have next, these are the elements that I will explain them in the program. These are also the operation of these solenoids and valves are heavily interwoven with the chillers. So let me show you how the air cooler B is shut down. So the final part will be testing the heater. In order to function test the heater, we should shut down the whole system. We should shut down the chillers and put the set point or possibly disable the whole channel, disable the chillers. The chillers will not running even the temperature is above the limit. So here I can function test the heater if the temperature is decreasing like 20, and we will have in order to have the heaters, we need to ensure that the amount of oil is enough in the this oil separator. If the oil is not enough, the heaters, these two, heater 1 and heater 2, they will not operate. So let me return to higher values, and heaters are getting de-energized. This is the next part, and the final part will be focused on the water separation. And after explanation of these elements, I will move to the logic explanation. I stopped here and we move to the next